Hi students. This morning I'm going to show you how to put your week 6 reflection into your ePortfolio. So you're going to be in the classwork tab and you click on ePortfolios and then you click on your ePortfolio. I'm just going to find a student's here. Okay. And we can see the ePortfolio. And we can see that the 6-week reflection is ready to be put in the About Me section. So I'm using my 2 fingers. I'm clicking down with my left finger on the keypad and I get a hold of that 6-week reflection and I'm going to drag it into the About Me folder. And I click Move. And I'm just going to double click on that About Me, make sure that it did get in there. And I can see it made it in there. Great. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different documents in here. So now I am going to go back. I'm going to click on the student's name. And next step is to click on number 2, Inventory Sheets. Double click. Double click on the picture of the PBLA master inventory. And now we're going to look down at the bottom. And we need to write in the All About Me tab down there. So I just clicked one time. Now I'm going to I can see the name is on there. I'm going to have to use that arrow button on my keyboard to move down. Okay. And we're going to add it right here. So we start our words with a capital letter because it's a title, it's a name. Week 6 learning reflection. Oops. Okay, and the date today is February 22nd, 2021. And I guess the week 2 it's filled in. We'll put a date in there. Okay, so that is how we include our week 6 learning reflection into our ePortfolio. And so now how do I go back? I'm going to scroll up to the top of the page and I am just going to click the back arrow, see where that takes me. Okay, and right up at the top, whoops, I have way too many tabs open. If I close this tab, it should take me back here so I can check my all my different sections here. All right, and then to go back to the classroom, I'm going to close the tab. And here we are. So have a great day.